Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today we'll be taking you around this approved used Audi A3 Sportback Black Edition 35 TFSI with the 6-speed manual gearbox. This particular model comes in the stunning Navara Blue metallic paintwork, and with the recent facelift Audi has done, it certainly looks super sporty and stylish. With this being the 35 TFSI, you get a 1.5 litre turbo petrol engine producing 147 brake horsepower and 250 Newton meters of torque. On the front we have these fabulous LED headlights with interchangeable patterns with LED daytime running lights, giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners you will find these 19-inch 5-arm trapezoid design alloy wheels finished in matte grey with a diamond cut finish, offering a lovely contrast to that blue metallic paintwork. The button to release the tailgate is under the Audi rings on the boot lid itself. This, when opened, reveals plenty of storage space for everyday essentials and weekend away luggage, with the boot floor that can be lifted and lowered or removed, and the rear seats folded down for extra storage space. The interior is finished in twin leather with contrasting grey stitching for maximum luxury and comfort, with fold down armrests with dual cup holders, as well as the rear air vents and dual USB-C ports. Both outer seats are fitted with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the flat bottom S-Line multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit, central touchscreen display, as well as the dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sport seats with the S badge embossed in at the top, and they are manually adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The virtual cockpit is configurable to your wants and needs using the left side of the multifunction steering wheel. On the right your volume and voice controls for those mid-journey phone calls and radio station changes, and underneath to the left is your adaptive cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations, or simply navigation. Under the climate control is the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle. And with this vehicle having the technology pack, you do get Sonos premium sound system, as well as the rear view camera with front and rear sensors and park assist, which lets the car park itself for you. All you have to do is follow the prompts on screen to change gear, accelerate and brake when needed. With the dual zone climate control you get the option to have different temperatures for driver and passenger, and both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, which is perfect for those colder winter mornings. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short video on the improved used Audi A3 Sportback Black Edition 35 TFSI 6-speed, available now at Stafford Audi in Navara Blue Metallic. If you have any questions or queries, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team.